The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Data Maintenance. In the name search bar, type in currency. Click Submit. Click Currency. Click Add Record. Add in your currency abbreviation. Examples: EUR, JPY, GBP, CAD, CNY. Add in the currency sign. Add in a description. Examples: Euro, Japanese Yen, British Pound, Canadian Dollar, Chinese Yuan. Add in your default cash account ID. Add in your default undeposited funds account ID. Add in your Remit Address ID. Note, this value should correspond to the ID of the location, LNAME table, that you want customer to remit payments of this currency to. Add in your bank instructions. Note, specify instructions that will appear on the invoice PDF. Click Submit. That's it. You're done.